Are you ready to build a high-performing sales team that drives your business to success? Well, you've come to the right place. A strong sales team is the backbone of any thriving business. And today we're going to show you how to build one. First, let's talk about the characteristics of a high-performing sales team. Resilience, adaptability, and strong communication skills are key traits that set them apart. They embrace challenges, quickly adjust to market changes, and effectively convey their message to customers. Look at successful sales teams and what makes them stand out, and you'll see these qualities shining through. Next, let's dive into strategies for hiring and training. Hiring the right people is crucial, so consider interview questions that assess their problem-solving skills, ability to work under pressure, and their motivation to exceed sales targets. Look for candidates with the personality traits that align with your company's culture. But it doesn't stop there. Continuous training and development are essential to keep your sales team at the top of their game. Invest in effective training methods that enhance their skills, confidence, and product knowledge. Now let's talk about motivating and retaining your top sales talent. Incentives, recognition, and career growth. Opportunities are powerful motivators. Implement reward programs that give your sales team a reason to strive for excellence, offer recognition for their achievements, and create a culture that cultivates loyalty and retention. A positive team culture goes a long way in fostering a supportive environment where everyone feels valued and inspired to stay. In conclusion, building a high-performing sales team requires having individuals with traits like resilience, adaptability, and strong communication skills. Beyond that, it involves hiring the right people, providing effective training, and implementing strategies to motivate and retain top talent. Now it's time to take action. Start building your high-performing sales team today and watch your business reach new heights.